Right. Good morning, everyone. Okay. So last class we have completed transfer statements, break, continue, return, and their respective rules, everything we have learned. One last topic is there. Please let us continue. Let's complete that. Write down label. Just 5 minutes topic, 5 to 10 minutes topic, not more than. Topic is label. Topic is label. Yeah, many places you are going to work while working with control flow statements. Many times you will use labels. So what is a label? Have you come across the word label? Label. Where? No, I'm not asking in Java, outside, in the real life. In real life, have you come across the word label? Where? Cover. Box. Excellent. Book is there, na book. Book has any name? You bought one new book, na? That is just a book. It's a common word, book. But it is a social book. It's Telugu book, English book, maths book. Then tell me. You have to place one label on that, sticking one label with the name what? Social, Telugu, Hindi, maths, isn't it? That extra information concept is called what? Label. We have something that doesn't have name, but I want to provide a name to it. Then we need a label. Observe, I am writing for loop, for open bracket, closed bracket. Here I am writing one statement, system dot out dot println outer loop, something name I am writing outer loop. Int I equals to 1, I less than or equals to 10, I plus plus. Okay. Now it is a loop. Does it have any name? No. It is a method. Does it have name? What is the name of the method? Main. It is a loop. Does it have any name? No. I created one block. The block doesn't have a name. Sometimes I need to refer that block. I want to provide a name to it. For that, I required what? Label. So next, how to provide a label? Okay, label is nothing but an identifier. A label is a identifier to a block. A label is a identifier or name to a block. What are the rules we must follow while following identifier? 7 rules. Remember, it should have letters, digits, and special character $_. It should not start with a digit. It should not contain special characters other than $ and underscore. It should not contain space. Keyword, it is a case sensitive. Keyword cannot be used as an identifier. Predefined class name can be used as an identifier. Single underscore you cannot use as an identifier. These are the 7 rules we have to follow. Now suppose I am writing A. I have written A. A is now what? Identifier. So tell me, how are you saying that this is a name and this is a parameter by separating with a round bracket? Na? How can I say this is a name and this is a logic? Logic and name is separated by open bracket. Similarly, I want to say this is a identifier. This is a label. It is an identifier or label, and this is the loop. How can we separate them? By using colon. How? By using colon. By using colon. So A colon for if you write, then what happened now? It is considered as a label and it is considered as a loop. So what is the name of this loop now? A. Everyone understand? Now I want to create one more loop here for or while anything is okay. Okay, while or for anything is okay. Now I'm writing int j equal to 1, j less than or equals to 3 I am writing. Okay, 5 I am writing j plus plus. Okay, this is copy paste and this is inner loop. This is inner loop. Okay. Now tell me, is this inner loop has any name or no name? No name. I want to provide a name to it. What do you write now? B colon. A colon, B colon I have written. So if you want to provide a name to any block, if you want to provide a name to a unnamed block, if you want to provide a name to a unnamed blocks, I can use what? Label. Understand? Right. So what is a label? Label is a identifier, comma. It is a name to a unnamed block. If you want to provide a name to a unnamed block, I can use label concept. What is the syntax? Syntax is identifier, colon, then block. That block can be a if block, can be a for block, or can be any conditional block or loop block or switch, anything. Any block you can take, either conditional block or a loop block or just a nameless block you can take. Then what is the syntax? Identifier, colon, and block you have to write. Sir, what is the need of this, sir? If you want to access this loop from inside this loop, I want to access outer loops inside inner loop. Suppose if I write here break, which loop will be broken? Inner loop will be broken. Okay, here inner loop j colon plus j I have written. Then tell me what is the output you will get here? Compile and execute. What you are getting now? Look at there. Outer loop, inner loop j, outer loop, inner loop j, outer loop, inner loop j, outer loop, inner loop j. Which loop broken? Only inner loop is got broken. No, I want outer loop to be broken. Then I have to use break. I should tell to break. Array breaker, break outer loop. What is the name of the outer loop? A. Look at that. Outer loop I colon plus I, and here I am writing, for clarity purpose I am writing. And now first what I have written? Break. Only break. Break will break only inner loop. System dot out dot print, system dot out dot println after inner loop. Save it. Control 1, compile, control 2. Look at there. What is the output you are getting every time? This mouse. After inner, sorry, where is this? Outer loop 1, inner loop 1. Why inner loop, next iteration not coming? Because of break. After inner loop. Then again outer loop iterated 2, inner loop 1, after inner loop. So how many iterations outer loop executed? 10 iterations. Okay, 10 iterations are executed. Clear my point? Now I am commenting this and I am writing break of A. Compilers, this break is searching for what now? A. Tell me. Now what is A here? Label. Then it is going to upwards. Is it A? No. Going to upwards. Is it A? Yes. Then terminate. Then where it will go? System dot out dot println double quotes after outer loop. Save it. Control 1, compile. Tell me, outer loop iteration 2 will you see or will not see? Will not see. Outer loop 1, inner loop 1, directly going after outer. Understand the purpose of the label? Right. Point number 1. What is a label? A label is an identifier. It is a name to a nameless blocks. The nameless block can be either just local block, open bracket, closed bracket, or conditional blocks, if or switch. or loop blocks while, do while, for. If we need to provide name to any nameless blocks for accessing it from other places, for accessing it from inner blocks, inner blocks with break or continue, we must use label. The break or continue can terminate the current loop. If we want to terminate outer loop or block, if you want to terminate outer loop or block execution from inner loop or block, we must use label with a break or continue. Syntax: label colon block right arrow mark here. Break is searching for the label. Do you have any label here? No. It go to this label and from here it is go out of this block. Completed? Completed? Write down. Below program explains. Below program explains. Terminating. Outer loop from inner loop with the help of label. Here you need to write 2 arrow marks. Okay. Look at here. If I write only break, break will break. Break will break only. Current loop terminated and go here. And execute rest of the statements available in the asset. And loop iterated with what? Outer loop. Understand? This is outer loop. And this is inner loop. Neatly you ought right, okay? Inner loop terminated. Then continue with what? Outer loop. Continue with outer loop. Now, if I write break A, break is searching for the label A. Is it A? No. Then go to A. Is it A? Yes. Then it will terminate outer loop, go outside outer loop, and continue rest of list. 2 arrow marks you write. Completed, buddy? Okay, this is the story about label. Here A, B, I should write anything I can write. Anything you can write. Can I write 1? No. Can I write underscore? No. Okay, if I write 1, compiler throw invalid identifier. Not a statement. Okay, if I write underscore, if I write underscore, compiler throw error. As of release 9, underscore is a keyword, cannot be used. Can I write static here? No. Compiler throw error. Can I write here A1? Yes, I can write. Okay. Now, whenever change the name, I have to change accordingly at the break also. Okay, undefined label error you will get if you don't change. Tell me, if I comment this one, no problem. Now tell me. Here I am writing dollar. Allowed? Single dollar is allowed. Can I write here? System? No, no. What is system? Predefined class name. Predefined class name can be used as an identifier. No problem. Okay. So refer identifier chapter once again and apply the concepts here. With this, we completed our control flow statement chapter fully. Yesterday I have uploaded rules also, while, do while rules, for rules. Did you notice that? Can I create 2 variables in the while loop? I mean for loop at a time? Yes, we can create. Can I write multiple conditions? No. We can write multiple variables. We can write multiple increment decrementing, but we can write only one condition. So that also test case I gave. Please try to practice. With this, we have done with our chapter every point. Now pending is what? Your talent. So practicing is pending. So how many more programs you practice, how you practice, it's all in your hand. Please go through once. Are all points covered? Java 5, Java 14 new features I didn't cover. I will cover them. Basic control flow statements I completed as of now. What is control flow statement? Why control flow statement? How many control flow statements? Purpose of each control flow statement. If you study these 4 points, automatically chapter will revised. All these 4 points I gave at one place in your beginning of the notes. Then we started exploring with working with if else, if ladder. Problem with if else. Then we come to when to choose if else and switch. Okay. If you wanted to write condition on number, string, enum with a double equal to operator, then go for what? Switch. If you want write condition on not double equal to operator, either not equal to operator, less than, greater than operators, then we have to choose if else if. If you want to write condition on long data type, float data type, double data type, Boolean data type, our own class data type, then you have to use what? If else if. You cannot use a switch because switch has a limitation. Working with a switch, case syntax and case and default order you have learned. Rules of switch and case argument you learn. Limitations of the switch. Switch can work only with int, char, wrapper classes, string, enum, and with a double equal to operator. Exact comparison only if you want, then only switch can be used. Other purpose which cannot be used. Working with while and its limitations. Okay. And nothing but loops. If you want to execute 0 to n number of times, then we have to use loop. While and its limitation. What is the limitation? Its variable declaration, condition, incrementing available at different places. There is a chance we may forget to increment and it leads to what? Infinite loop. Second problem, the variable declared before while loop is not destroyed automatically. It is available after loop. Third problem, after condition checking only logic executed. I want to execute at least one time. Then we have to move to do while and then for loop. For loop advantages, its rules and execution flow. Then we discussed inner loop and its rules. When you develop inner loop, the rule is what? The loop variable should not be same as outer variable. The variable, outer loop variable, inner loop variable names must be different. Okay. And next, transfer statements. Break, continue, return, common rule and specific rule. What is the common rule? After break, continue, return, we cannot place any statement directly. Specific rule, break is allowed only in a switch or in loop. Continue allowed only inside loop. Return is allowed inside a method or inside a constructor anywhere. Label, its usage rule. Next, break, continue with label. Next, infinite loops, compile time error, unreachable statement, test cases, while false, while true with break. While true with break is infinite loop or not infinite loop? Not infinite loop, because break will break the statement. Sample programs, entry questions. Everything covered now? So it's a time you have to practice. Now, I want to share you two websites here. I want all the people practice that website. Right? Codingbat.com. Website name, codingbat.com. Codingbat.com. Here we have two things, Java and Python. Same programs are available, Java and Python. So daily you have to do warm up. The warm up 1, warm up 2, warm up 1. It has totally how many programs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh my God, so many are. Warm up 1, these many programs. By the time these programs completed, definitely your course will be completed. Why? We are very much fast in learning, no? Okay, tomorrow, बाद में देख लेंगे, बाद में देख लेंगे. Okay, never, later become never. If today you don't work, tomorrow if you say, tomorrow I'll work, tomorrow again you will have same mentality. What do you say? Tomorrow, again tomorrow. Always the tomorrow will torture you. తెలుగులో మనకు సామెత ఉంది చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి, వినాయకుడి పెళ్ళి ఎప్పుడంటే రేపు, ఎప్పుడా రేపు వచ్చేది ఎవరికి తెలియదు. సో టుడే ఓన్లీ యూ స్టార్ట్, టుడే ఓన్లీ యూ హావ్ టు స్టార్ట్ వర్క్. సార్ హౌ టు వర్క్ సార్? Open this question, sleep in. What is this question? The parameter weekday is true if it is a weekday. If you remember your childhood, in maths, there are two types of questions are there. Two numbers is giving, LKG, UKG, first class, two numbers will give. 1 plus 2, how much? 3. 3 plus 4, how much? 3 minus 4, how much? And addition, subtraction, focus. The same additions and subtractions will be given questions as word problems. They are called it as what? Word problems. Assume two friends are there. First friend has a 2 chocolates. Second friend has a 3 chocolates. Totally, how many chocolates are there? What do you write? Word problem? Friend 1, chocolates available at friend 1 equal to 2. Chocolates available at friend 2 equal to 3. Total number of chocolates. Total number means plus. Plus means total what? 5. 2 plus 3, 5. Like that, word problems are there. Direct question will not be there. Zigzag, a different order, word problems are there. Codingbat.com is a word problem based website. Okay, here the question will be simple, but you have to analyze this question and what operator he is asking you to use, you should find out. Look, he is using not true false directly. He is saying in the word what? Some technical, English is using. The parameter weekday. Parameter weekday. Parameter and I should have method na. He is taking a method name as what? Sleep in. Method method definition also you only giving. You no need to write anything in your system. You can directly try here. Okay. Okay. There is a method called what? Sleep in. Who is taking the parameter weekday and parameter what? Vacation. Okay. The parameter weekday is true. Oh, true ante boolean. Okay. First parameter name is what? Weekday. Of what type? Boolean. Boolean weekday is true if it is a weekday. Weekday ante Monday to Saturday also. Okay na? Sorry. Sorry, Monday to Friday na? Okay, Monday to Friday. And next, and the parameter vacation is true if we are on vacation. We are on vacation means Sunday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. We sleep in, happily sleep. If it is not a weekday, or we are on vacation, understand? If not a weekday means true na false? Not a weekday. Weekday is true, not a weekday is false. We are on vacation, vacation value also false. Understand? And if you send weekday is false, vacation true na false? True. Vacation false or true, whatever. Okay. Return true if we sleep in. Look at here. The question not understand. Repeat once again. What he is asking? There is a one method with two parameters. What the first parameter? Weekday. Second parameter is what? Vacation. What he is asking? I want you sleep. Sleep means what? Return true. Not sleep means what? Return false. Okay. Weekday and vacation, both values. What should I do? Return true if we sleep in. Return true if we sleep in. Okay. Now I have to prepare inputs. Look at here. He's given some examples here. Sleep in. False, false if I pass. Result should be what? True. Weekday, false. Weekday false and it is on it is on not weekend and vacation. Either it is a not weekend or vacation. What should I pass? What should I false? What should I pass? False, false. If both are false, means what? Sleep in, na? Okay, look at here. Return true if we sleep in. We sleep in when? If it is not a weekday or we are on vacation. The condition you ought to follow here. Little difficult. 2 to 3 times if you read, you will understand. Okay. If not weekend means false. We are on vacation or we are on vacation also what? False. Okay. If both are false, false, then what we do? Sleep. Sleep means what? True, na? If it is a weekend means true. Or vacation. True or vacation. What should I get? False. Weekend, false. We are on vacation. Then what again? True. Okay. Sorry. Question understand, not understand, secondary. But we observe here what he is asking. True or true, I want true. True or false, I want false. False or true, I want what? True. Then from the sleep in method, I should write logic. Based on the given values, I should generate true and false and return. Okay, now that point understand? False, false, I want true. Which operator I have to use? True, false, false. False, true, true. You are working on which operator? Boolean. Boolean operator and generate Boolean value. What operators work on Boolean data types and generate Boolean value? Relational operator work on Boolean value? No. Logical operators work on Boolean value? Yes. Bitwise operators also work on Boolean value. Here I should use logical operators or bitwise operators. How many logical operators are there? 3. Double N? Double R? Not. False and false? False. False or false? False. Which operator I have to use? XOR. If both operands are same, true. If operands are opposite, false. Here observe, false or true. What the value coming? True. But actually, what should I expect here? False. Oh my God, danger. Which operator I have to use? XR will return true if both are true or both are false. But ఇది ఎలా రాయాలి? First one XR, second one both operators are false. False. XR both operators are false. False. You written wrong seems to be. Check. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏం రాయాలి? Return. I have to return na? Return weekday and vacation. Both are false. I should return true. True, false. I should return false. False, true. I should return what? True. Which operator? If I use XR operator cap, both true, true, true. Right? Both false, false also true. False, false. True, XR false. Result is false. False, true also, true, false only will come. But he's asking for true. Delarayal code. Second one, Raya, you should write one condition, not multiple conditions. That one condition should match all logics. Come on, think. Read question again. The parameter weekend is true if it is a weekday. Okay. The parameter vacation is true if you are on vacation. Okay, na? Okay. When we sleep in not weekend, అంతేగా, not weekend or on vacation. Katham. ఆడేం పంపిస్తాడు నాకు సంబంధం లేదు. What he is sending inputs, I don't care. You focus on the condition. What he is asking? We sleep in అంటే true na? When? Not a weekend, not weekday. Or vacation. Semicolon. Ante. Already చెప్పాడు అక్కడ. Clearly he is giving the input. Why you are overthinking? అర్థమైందా? He clearly gave the condition, buddy. From the sleep in method, what should I return? True. When? Not a weekday. How can I say it is a weekday? When is a not a weekday? Apply not operator. అర్థమైందా? Not a weekday or what? Vacation. Return. Katham. Let's see, will it work all the conditions? Go. All correct. ఎరా బాబు రే అర్థమైందా? మీరు అనవసరంగా ఎక్కువ ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు. Don't think too much. He has given a clear question. We sleep in. We sleep in means in Java what? True. When, if it is not a weekday. How can I say not a weekday in Java? Not a weekday. Or, how can I say or? Double R. Vacation. Vacation. అయిపోయింది. ఓహో, ఎలా ఆలోచించాలా? అలాగే ఆలోచించాలి. ఐసా సోచనా పడతా హై, ఐసా. ఓకేనా? ఓవర్ థింకింగ్ క్రియేట్ ద హెల్త్ ఇష్యూస్. అండర్స్టూడా? డోంట్ థింక్ టూ మచ్. వాడు ఎక్కడో కండిషన్ చెప్పుకుంటే ఆడ కండిషన్ పట్టుకోవాలి అంతే. రిటర్న్ ట్రూ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ స్లీప్ ఇన్. వెన్ స్లీప్ ఇన్? ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ వీక్ డే, నాట్ వీక్ డే. ఆర్ we are on vacation, or vacation. Khatam. Let's see what is his solution. He also given logic, na? Is a solution what? Wow. He also written same. Not weekday or vacation. Return true, return false. He is a Amirpet. He is a Amirpet developer. Array, already this R operator generating true false, na? Why should write if else again? అర్థమైందా రాజా? ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ if false జనరేట్ అయిందా? నాట్ వీక్ డే ఆర్ వెకేషన్ ఆల్రెడీ జనరేటెడ్ ట్రూ. When I should use if under this if or else block? If this condition is not, if this condition generate true or false, based on the true I want written one string, based on the true I want written one number. Suppose if the given value even, return string saying number is even, else number is odd. Then I should use what? If else. Do you remember ternary operator I have used? If a less than 5, return true, return false. Will I use a ternary operator or if else condition? No. Directly if a less than 5. Khatam. Because less than operator itself is generating true or false. Are you getting to brain? Are babu telsoka? First fellow. ఏం చేస్తున్నా? మొబైల్ చూసుకుంటున్నా. నేను కాదు. క్వశ్చన్ చూస్తున్నావా? ఎందుకు? నేను చెప్పేది వినవా? చెప్పేది వినండిరా. క్వశ్చన్ ఆల్రెడీ అయిపోయింది, ఇంకా దాని మొహం ఏం చూస్తావు? నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేది వినాలి. వినకండి మీ బ్రెయిన్ ఎక్కడో పెడితే తర్వాత అర్థమై సావరు. రిపీట్ అగైన్. వెన్ షుడ్ ఐ యూజ్ ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ ఫర్ రిటర్నింగ్ ద వాల్యూ? Based on the condition you want to return other than boolean value, either string or number or object, then if else I have to use. If the method return type is boolean, already expression is generating boolean, why should I use if else? That is a bad programming, fresher programming. If you want to prove yourself is an experienced person in the company, try to avoid writing so many lines of code unnecessary. Write, complete the code in single line. So you have to apply your burra buddhi both. Okay. Now what do you write? Not weekend or vacation. See, question will be lengthy. Don't read entire question. Where is my condition? Sleeping if it is not weekend. Okay. Not means not operator. Or means or operator. Convert English to Java. Khatam. Understand how to work? Shall we try one more question? Next, where are you? Next, akkada undali. Here. Okay. Next. ఇప్పుడు మంకీలు వచ్చినాయి. Read. Monkey trouble. Monkey is troubling you. Come on. We have two monkeys. Two monkeys and how many parameters? A and B. Advaina. Monkey name, first monkey name is A. Second monkey name B. A, B, two monkeys are there, or two parameters. Okay. And the parameters A smile, B smile. Oh, monkeys are also smiling. Hey, you know, monkey also will smile. You are a monkey, no? Hey, no? You are A monkey, I am B monkey. Okay. Both are smile. A smile and B smile indicate if each is smiling. Oh, A smile true, B smile true. Both are true. We are in trouble. Tell me, there are so many monkeys are going. Every day if you observe some bombs are blasting, no? Why? Because of monkeys are coming. Tell me. Now, if one monkey got angry, we are in trouble, no? One monkey is silent, but other monkey got angry. It is attack you, na? We are in trouble if they are both smiling or neither of them is smiling. Both are smiling also trouble. Neither of them smiling is not smiling also trouble. And if true, true. What you get? We are in trouble. We are in trouble. We are in trouble means what? True, na? True, true, true. False, false. Don't show your talent. According to question, you have to get answer. Read again. We are in trouble if they both smiling. Trouble means what? True. If neither of them smiling, true. Neither of them means what? False, false. True, true. Sorry. True, true also. Trouble, true. False, false also. Trouble, true. Man trouble lo unnamante true, baba. Are you in trouble? Yes, sir. Yes means what? True. Are you not in trouble? Listen. Are you in? I am asking a question. Are you in trouble? Yes. Means what? True. Are you in trouble? No. False. What I am saying? We are in trouble. We are in trouble means what you should written? True. When? If both are smiling. Sir, both are smiling. Why I am in trouble, sir? None of your business. Again, questioning answer cheyalante. They ask the question, we have to generate. We are in trouble. Don't understand it in English meaning. Understand in Java. What he is asking? We are in trouble if they are both smiling. Both smiling under true, true, true. Okay. Neither of them smiling. False, false also true. Oh, which operator I have to use? Return true if we are in trouble. Which operator I have to use? XR. Adi theory gurtunte program raster. Ardhamainda? Many times I told you Java is a concept based and memory based programming language. If you don't remember concept, if you don't remember memory, you will fail in Java. Operators, control flow statements, concept based programming, object oriented programming, concept and memory based programming. Memory if you ignore, it will torture you. Tell me, what question I have to write? What logic I should write? If else or directly written? Directly written. If else required or not required? Not required. Written. What you write? A smile. Cap. 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 B smile. Semicolon. Katam. Hey, you are saying. Go. Acha. Compile time errors. Bracket missing. Isn't it delete in? Go. Check. Hey. All are failed. Super. Not operate. Why not operate? Smelling mistake. Anna, XR, right? Why not XR? A smile true and true. True and true. Oh, okay. True and true. False. Yeah. Right. What I have to apply? Not. Correct. You are expert than me. Like. So I remember true. False, true. Wrong answer, na? If both are same, returns what? False. Opposite returns what? True. So if you don't remember a truth table, you'll get wrong answer. Okay, correct. Your point is correct. Babu. Nana. You will not tell. False is false. Thank you. Correct. A smile and B smile. Both are same. Returns what? False. We need to convert to true. We are right? Not. Understand which concept, how to read the question, understand? We are in trouble if they are both smiling or if neither of them smiling. That means both true, I should return true. Both false, I should return false, true. If true or false, false. Then which operator I have to use? Not and XOR. Okay. Shall we try one more question? Next. I don't read question. You only read question. You only answer question. Given two int values, okay, return their sum, okay, and which operator I have to use now? Plus. Unless the two values are same, then return double their sum. రెండు సేమ్ అయితే ఆ రెండు యాడ్ చేసి రిటర్న్ చేయాలి. సేమ్ అవ్వకపోతే సమ్ చేసి డబుల్ చేసి రిటర్న్ చేయాలి. ఎలా రాస్తారు ఇప్పుడు కోడ్? అంటే now I have to use if else na? If else I have to use operators. Which operators? For condition purpose, validation operator, calculation purpose, calculation operator. So complete operators and control flow statements I have to use. If A equal to B, what I write? Return A plus B. Else, same avupothe amma unless the two values are same means unless ante కాకపోతేనా? కాకపోతే కదా. అదే నాన్న, if both are equal, what should I return? Double summa, double summa. Okay. English masters, okay. What do you write now? Double sum into 2. Return A plus. Correct? Wow, super. All are okay. So that's why English also very important. Unless meaning what? Understand? If you are not good at English, you cannot answer the question. That's why English also, that's why I told you daily 15 minutes for typing, half an hour for 45 minutes for English, 15 minutes listening, 15 minutes writing, 15 minutes speaking, 15 minutes reading. Read, listen, write, all. Speaking also 15 minutes. So if you don't practice all, you will miss English also. Hope you all understand how to work like this. Now, like this, there are so many questions are there for you to practice. This is a word based, okay? Given an int n, return the absolute difference between end and 21, except return double absolute difference if n is over 21. So like this, slowly you have to work out. Each question will take minimum 5 minutes, say suppose. Okay? Per day, can you minimum work for 5 questions? 5 questions, at least 5 questions. Okay? No sir, I cannot enter. Here, if you are unable to write the code, solution is also there. But don't try for solution first. Read question, not understand, go to solution. In the interview, who will give solution to you? You should train your brain. You should train your brain to analyze the solution. Okay? After completing all questions available in the codingbad.com and another website also there, prepinsta.com. What is the website? Prepinsta.com. Scroll down and continue to Prepinsta. Don't go for Prime, not required. Already you are a Prime member of Naresh IT. Don't be Prime member of multiple people. Don't waste your father money. Whose money? No sure, I want to be Prime member. Get a job, then pay from your salary. After getting job, why I need to pay? Then why you are paying your father money? Now freely they have provided some knowledge, that much sufficient to get the job. Continue to prepinsta.com. Open this website. Scroll down. Holy coupon there, don't use. Look at there. companies, programming, off campus, CS subject, interview preparation, aptitude. You know, as a student, always you are doing one mistake. What is that? Job, 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 job. Hey, without subject, how can I get job? Tumri fella. Don't get to your mind job first. First, you have to get mind only knowledge, programming. You should have a confidence. Frequently asked questions are important entry questions. Study and go to interview. You will not get job. Don't try. Everything I learn. Operators, everything I remember. Control flow statements, everything I remember. Arrays, everything I remember. Give me program, I am able to write the program. Then think about campus interviews, placements. Then you want to spend the money for the getting job by joining one, institute or website for the placement support. For placement assistance, when you joining for the course, when you join one institute, when not for training, for what? Placement. Already Naresh IT, we joined for training. Again for placement, when you are to join, only after you are thoroughly ready for the job with the complete subject. When you are to join for placement, not immediately. First you try with yourself. Have a good network with your friends. In Amirpet, as a offline students or online students, whoever, have a good friendship with the friends. You have to always discuss, Are mama, any job openings you are finding. Along with the subject, you also should have connections with your friends and seniors, how to get the job. If I share, okay, this student got the job, immediately you have to have a friendship with him. Sir, please accept me as your friend. And if in your company you have any openings, please let me know. Definitely every year new openings will be there, na? Every 6 months new openings will be there. So just have a contact with them. Try to get information from them to get the new jobs. So you have to improve. Along with your course, you should also start searching for the jobs with your contacts. Then daily you have to improve your programming knowledge by practicing this kind of websites. Whenever you find off-campus placements or on-campus placements, don't immediately click on don't join. Without you have confidence, don't join. Then click on this programming. And also don't search for the interview questions without you practice. Last class MCQ questions we practice. Because we completed chapter, I know everything. Let me try my luck. Same way, now we are preparing the second round. All people are ready with the first round. What the first round? What is the output? What is the output? What is the output? What the second round? Read the word problem and you should understand the algorithm. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 algorithm. Here I should apply equal to operator. Here I should apply not equal to operator. Here I should apply plus operator. Here I should apply plus into operator. So like what are the operators I would apply? Which conditional statements I would apply? That clarity algorithm should come to your brain. That is called write a program. First one is what? What is the output of the program? That level we pass. That is a fresher level, beginner level. Now we are coming to intermediate level. Intermediate level means what? Write a program. For write a program, I'm giving 2 websites. One is codingbat.com. First you try there. Second, now you have to try with this website. This is prepinsta.com. These 2 websites. 5 programs from CodingBat, 2 programs or 3 programs from Prepinsta. Daily minimum 5 to 7 programs. 7 programs you have target. Don't practice 10 programs, 7 sufficient. 7 programs you try to practice per day. Sir, 7 ante my brain will be blasted. Okay, minimum 5. Minimum 5, maximum your capacity. That is intermediate. Once these 2 websites are completed, then we'll get full warm up with your weapons. You learn how to use. Okay, now is the time main match starts. First you are taking coaching. Okay, na? Then we are going for practice nets. Okay, now main match IPL. Okay, main match is Hacker Rank, Lead Code. Hacker Rank is again beginner level, intermediate level, and Lead Code is expert level. Once you solve the questions from the Lead Code, then no one will stop you. Oh, sir, Lead Code to solve the questions, data structures and algorithms are required, sir. That's why that is advanced level that we will go and touch Lead Code, not now, after collections chapter complete. Meanwhile, small programs you can try in the Lead Code also. But don't touch Hacker Rank, Lead Code now. First 10 to 15 days, you practice the questions available in CodingBat and prepinsta.com. Okay. Open top 100 questions or top 500 questions. Anything is same link will come. Okay. Then go down. Go down. Look. Here we have questions in 3 languages or 4 languages they have given. Hey. C, C++, Java, Python. And now realize, every day I'm saying, minimum 2 languages knowledge you must have. What the now trending languages? Java, Python. First you work with Java, also have tried to get awareness on Python. Positive or even number, can you write a program? Even or odd number, can you write a program? Sum of first n natural numbers. Asal first of all, what is the natural number? I don't know. I don't know, Baba. What is a positive number means I know. 0 left side, lesser than 0, negative. 0 greater than positive. Oh, I should write if number less than 0, even number. Else, achha, 0 number less than 0, negative number. Else, positive number. Okay, I understood. Even or odd, if the number divided, if I divided by 2 and remainder is 0, even number, else odd number. Sum of first n natural numbers. Asal natural number means what? I don't know. Okay. Sum of first n natural numbers, sum of n natural numbers. What is the difference between these two questions? Asal first of all, what is a natural number? I don't know. Then click on Java. Because you know Java syntax now. Go down. He has given explanation. Given an integer input of n, the objective is to find sum of all the natural numbers until the given input integer. To do so, we can use different approaches to write the Java code. Some much methods are mentioned below. You know, interviewers nowadays asking, if you write the logic in one approach, he is asking, can you try another approach? If you write second approach, again he'll say, can you try one more approach? Third approach, if you say, then he's satisfied, but still he will ask, can you try another approach? Sorry, I know only 3 approaches. If you keep on giving one more approach, he will not go to the another example. Then he will not find the time to ask many questions. That's why keep on, don't give answers on the same question. Maximum 2 or 3 answers. After that, directly say, I'm not aware. This much only I know. Okay, na? Now 3 options there. By using for loop, using formula for sum of n terms, and using recursion. There are 3 approaches are there. We will discuss and learn more about mentioned method in the section below. Okay. Method 1, method 2, method 3 is given explanation also. Okay. So if you are unable to write the code, click on the Java part and read the part and check the logic and write the code. Okay, na? Right? So like this, you have to try first on number-based programs. All these are number-based programs. And the next down, if you come, still number-based expressions. HCF, LCM, greater of most divisor, binary to decimal conversion. Did you remember I explained binary to decimal conversion mathematically? Now programmatically, how to write a code, octal to decimal and hexadecimal to decimal, and again reverse conversion, permutation, combination programs. Okay, these are little algebra based, mathematical expressions based, and then recursion based. What is a recursion? Calling a method inside the same method is called what? Recursion. I have a method with 10 lines. Among these 10 lines, middle 4 lines only return repeatedly I want to execute. What should I use? Loop. Loop. I have method with 10 lines. In the 10 lines, middle 3 lines I want to execute repeatedly. What I should use? Loop. All 10 lines I want to execute repeatedly. Then I have to write method call in the same method. First 10 lines executed. Again I want to execute 10 lines. After all 10 lines, end of the method, same method you call M1 parenthesis. Again iterated. When I should call this M1 method repeatedly? By writing one condition. So that is called calling a method in its own body is called what? Recursion. Okay, that point is called recursion. Recursion based logic they have explained. Okay, power of number, largest element in an array, right? They have given some explanation you can follow. Hey, what did it? Next, here still they are giving on, okay, important quotes on related to arrays. Arrays we have not fully learned. Some part I have already explained. If that knowledge is sufficient for you, you can work on that. Okay, na? So hope you will start work on this website also. Okay, na? So if you don't work, you are the loser, buddy. So you have to work yourself to improve your knowledge. So two websites you have to follow: prepinsta.com and codingbat.com. Both websites I am sharing. So show your talent now. How much effectively use your time? It is in your hand. Okay, two websites I shared. Click on this, click on this. Okay, now, right. Coming classes, we will also work with HackerRank and LeetCode also. Okay, done. With this, we completed logical programming basics and concepts. Now, shall we start object-oriented programming now? Waiting, sir. This mouse again got flopped. So this is our syllabus. Java fundamentals. First 25 topics successfully completed. And next we went to the logical programming. Operators, control flow statements, arrays. Arrays basics I explained. More deep programming to understand. First you should have a knowledge on object-oriented programming. Okay, because array is also object. Next, algorithms. There are two algorithms are there: searching algorithm and sorting algorithms. Searching, sorting algorithms you will understand only after completing arrays. 100+ logical programs. Logical programs, number-based programs, character-based programs, pattern-based programs, array-based programs, searching and sorting algorithms. Number-based program, few examples I explained. Character-based program, finding the character easier. What do you call it? Consonant or vowel. Okay, few programs I explained. Pattern-based program, few programs I explained. Now with this basic knowledge, now it is your turn to explore more examples. For that I have shared websites. Next, in these operators, control flow statements, arrays, we have Java 5 version new features, 7 version new features, 8 version new features, 14 version, 15 version new features are there. Those new features you cannot understand at the basic level. End of core Java only you can understand. At the time, I'm going to cover all features start from Java 5 onwards. Java 22, latest version is what? Up to Java 22, what are the new features given? All one by one list I will give and explain. Clear my point? So with this, we completed logical programming unit 2 also. Now we are moving to unit 3, object-oriented programming. All are ready? Your friends who are sleeping in the home saying that I am IT background, operators, control flow statements, everything I know. I joined object-oriented programming purpose. He didn't start, so I don't come to the class. Please send message now them. Now open website. I mean WhatsApp, send message. Are Tumri fellow? Sir started object-oriented programming. Come to the class. Let's start. ఇప్పుడు object-oriented programming అంటే ఏమి నేర్చుకోవాలి? What should we learn as part of object-oriented programming? You want object-oriented programming, college style, object-oriented programming, HK style. HK style, I will torture you. Ready? You will cry like anything. You will only ask me, sir, enough, sir. Please stop, sir. Okay. Okay. HK style is nothing but high-tech city style. In project, what is the way we use object-oriented programming? We will learn that way. And you accepted or not, it is a true. I am specialist of object-oriented programming. Okay. Even many faculties also learn object-oriented programming from me, and they come directly to the class also. Your college lecturers, working employees, and Amirpet faculties also. After I come to the online, many faculties are felt so happy. Ammaya, finally he came to online. Let me get all his secrets. Slowly, if you started reading your hostel friends' notes, all points what we discuss, everything will be there in their notes. But not up to the level of what we discussed. Okay, no problem. And now it's the time you have to start explore the points more interested way. Your Java started now. Last 45 days, it is not Java. Last 45 days, programming language, maths. The Java is meant for developing business applications, internet applications, business applications, and these business applications accessible via internet. Core Java is meant for developing business applications, complete application. Advanced Java meant for accessing this business application via internet. So Core Java is the base for the entire Java. Next coming 1 month, I can say, next coming 1 month, how much you are more focused and learn, that much easily you can crack the interviews, either first round, second round, third round, and easily you can develop the projects in the company also. Okay, that's why this 1 month is very, very important. Start from today. So please focus fully. Now let's start. Object-oriented programming, I divided, not Sun Microsystem, not Ameerpet, okay? I divided into 9 parts. One more. How many parts, sir? 9. First one, basics. Okay, as part of basics you are learning, what is a class? What is an object? What is a variable? Method, constructor, block in our classes. Creating real world objects in programming. These are 9 topics are called what? Object-oriented, 8 topics. These 8 topics are called what? Object-oriented programming basics. Sir, listen carefully. Object-oriented programming means these 9 topics. In your colleges, people has given wrong thought to you. Object-oriented programming means encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. No. Hey, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, not object-oriented programming. They are object-oriented programming principles. They are the principles, suggestions. What is the meaning of object-oriented programming? These 3 topics are object-oriented programming. Creating real-world object in the programming world by using class, object, instance. Class means variables, methods, constructor, block, inner class, all comes under class. Object means real-world thing, what you are seeing. Instance means one copy memory from the class. So these 3 topics are object-oriented programming. Understand? Tell me, did we start object-oriented programming? Encapsulation not started. Inheritance not started. Abstraction not started. You feel object-oriented programming not started? Namaskaram, Babu. Okay. Encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism are principles. They are just additional topics, not programming topics. Suppose you want to prepare chicken curry. Era t-shirt. What are you doing, buddy? Watching mobile. First you break that mobile, Rabbi, so that you will get the success in your life. Real, I'm telling. Stay away from the smart mobile for this next 1 month, so that you will be fully focused on the subject learning. If you have a smart mobile with you, real, I'm saying, in all batches I used to tell, smart mobile, drop it at your home. Ask your father to buy one Dabba phone. Dabba phone, you know, small, 1,000 rupees mobile, keypad mobile, okay? You need mobile now only for communicate with your parents for money purpose, ante. Smart mobile not required, I'm telling you. Till Java complete, at least core Java completed, you stay away from the smart mobile. Come back. You want to prepare chicken curry. What you required? Masala, na? Masala important, no? Prepare masala, eat it. Chicken ready, yeah? That is what? Encapsulation. Masala, encapsulation. Okay? Lemon. Lemon you are adding, na? Lemon, inheritance. Extra, you know, flavor. Next. Now spicier, non-spicier. That is what? Polymorphism. How this curry prepared? None of your business. Abstraction. Understand my point? How it is prepared? Nikendra silent, you know, right? I prepared already, you eat it. That is called what? Abstraction. So encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction are the last Extra concept we are adding for extra taste purpose. But actual program is what? Class, variables, methods, constructor, block, inner class. These concepts are called what? Basics object-oriented programming. The wrong thought you have in your mind, please remove it. If any of your friends say, "Arey, programming not started," slap them. Worst fellow. Class is the programming. Object is the programming. Variable is the programming. Okay, clear my point? So the fourth level we are going. While developing these three approaches, we are just focusing on Amirpet level learning object-oriented programming. But there are some problems are there. Those problems to solve, we are applying principles. Encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, super keyword, variable hiding, method hiding. Already we learn variable. Variable hiding, one topic. Already we learn method here, method hiding. Already we learn method here, method overriding, method overloading. Some extra points, super keyword, so many points are coming. Okay, and next, after completing these four topics, your object-oriented programming fully completed. In Java 5 version, some enhancements are given. In Java 8 version, some new enhancements are given. Those Java 5, 8 and 10 also. Java 8, Java 5, 8, 10 new features you have to learn. And next, very, very important, once you develop the project, you have to apply solid principles. Have you heard this word? There are two principles are there: object oriented programming principles, and second one is what? Solid, SOLID, solid principles. Okay, that solid principles we call them as what? Coupling and cohesion. All faculties or all students are teaching and learning only object oriented programming per ante. That's all, just a basic level. But we are taking this object oriented programming at a project level by applying what? Coupling, cohesion, and their types. Nothing but solid principles also we are going to learn. Okay, next point. After understanding all these 6 parts, then we have to develop the project now. Single project by showing all these features. I designed. Who designed? I designed one architecture called what? LCRP architecture. It is not Sun Microsystem given, or it is not any other person, third party vendor given. It is my own designed architecture. That's why I'm telling I am specialist in object oriented programming. Once you enter into company, one day or 1 minute also you don't feel difficult to handle the projects in the company because of the special architecture called LCRP architecture. Hey, next. Then finally, after understanding this LCRP architecture and reflection API, then we will start understanding the complete project, sample project development, not one, multiple projects we are developing. I will develop one project. We together develop one project. You only develop one project. More 2 project assignments I will give. 5 projects we are going to develop. Then anybody say object-oriented programming. Simple. Okay, na? That feeling you will get. Then by using all OOP concepts, and last, complete list of interview questions we are going to learn from this topic, so that any interview you can pass easily. Are ready for the full syllabus? Have that patience to learn? Yes, sir. Or you want me to? Kaima means I will also do the Kaima. Kaima na full knowledge. Full knowledge. Super. Write down. Write down these points. We have learned full knowledge on object-oriented programming. Now we are targeting full knowledge on object-oriented programming also. Solid and gatti principles, no. Not that a hard solid, okay? Solid meaning is different. Arey Mahesh. Is it a control flow statement chapter? ఏమిరా నువ్వు నెక్స్ట్ చాప్టర్ రా బాబు, యాడ్ ద కంటిన్యూషన్ నంబర్. వాట్ ఈజ్ ఈఎన్సి? ఈఎన్సి ఒరే 9th అయితేంది 10th అయితేందిరా, నీ నంబర్ ప్రకారం నువ్వు ఫాలో అయిపోరా బాబు. యూ ఫాలో యువర్ నంబర్. ఓకే, ఐ డెంట్ రిమెంబర్ ద చాప్టర్ నంబర్. యూ ఫాలో యువర్ నంబర్. Completed? Have written the solid principles. रुको रुको 1 मिनट रुको. Earlier, before this Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, Paint is providing bright color. Okay, now they made it as very light color. I don't know why. Even I give full solid bright here, still it is coming light color. Hey, who handle this Paint, you know? Such a right. Completed? Tell me, first point, what is object-oriented programming? First point, what is object-oriented programming? Okay, do you have a word? Oops. Object-oriented programming, what? Oops, na? Shortcut, what you call? Oops. Do you have oops? There. What is this? Object, oops, now oops full form OOPS. O stands for object, O oriented, P principle programming, yes style. Yes, style. Object oriented programming, S stands for style. Okay, nice, super. S stands for system, structure, semantics, style. Wow. ఎవరికి నచ్చినట్టు రాసేసుకుంటున్నాడు. ఓకే, there is no S, only we have 3. Oop. Then why S came, sir? Easy pronunciation. Come on, pronounce all people. Oop. Okay, na? Gas is holding inside. Okay, air holding inside. Oop. Okay, so pronunciation is easy. That's why people has used that. And listen, if you want to provide S, there are 2 S's are there. Some people use a small s, some people use a capital S. Capital S is used, then you should say system. Object oriented programming system. What the meaning of system? A system is a collection of things working together to perform one operation. For example, you take computer. Computer is a system. Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, hard disk, RAM, all are working together to complete our tasks. Am I right? Similarly, now system means object-oriented programming system, class, object, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, coupling, cohesion. All these concepts are working together to create one real world object in the programming world. That's why all these concepts together we can call it as what? System. So if you wanted to write object-oriented programming system, then capital S you have to write. If you write small s, oops, small s, then full form is object-oriented programming. Then why you are writing SSR? For easy pronunciation purpose. Ante. Okay, na? Right, clear my point? So there is no small s or there is no capital S. We have only one thing. What is that? Oop. One second, one second. Okay, the first point here, as part of the object-oriented programming basics, we have to learn what is OOP, why OOP, what is an object, what is the meaning of creating a real-world object in the programming world, why should we bring real-world object to the programming world, programming elements to bring object to the programming world, develop a sample project using class, variables, methods, instances, okay, and method and types of methods. All these topics comes under object-oriented programming basics. Okay, first point we have to understand what is the abbreviation of OOP. The abbreviation of OOP is object-oriented programming. We don't have a word called OOPs in programming world. The word the wrong abbreviation created by industry for the word OOPs is, some people call it as object-oriented programming system. Okay, accepted. Okay, and some people say structure, some people say synopsis, some people say style. Those are all extra words. Structure, synopsis, style. That is wrong. Okay, all above abbreviations are wrong. There is no meaning for the character S in OOPs. So OOPs also stands for object-oriented programming only. Clear the first point? Second, tell me, what is OOP? OOP is a object-oriented programming. What is object-oriented programming? Is it a language? What is OOP? Is it a language? No. What is OOP? Is it a technology? Yes, sir. Is it a technique? So when I can call something is a language, Java is a language, Python is a language, JavaScript is a language, .NET, C# .NET is a language, PHP is a language. What is a language? Okay. Language is nothing but something. Language is nothing but something that provides syntaxes and semantics for developing a program is called what? Language. Repeat once again. Telugu is a language. It providing letters, words, grammar for, grammar, structure for preparing sentences and speaking to other people. So we call it as what? Speaking language. So what is a programming language? If you want to call something is a programming language, something that provides syntaxes and semantics. Syntaxes means the structure of the program. Semantics means rules to follow to write a program. Something that provides syntaxes and semantics for developing one program to perform mathematical or business operations is called what? Language. Is object-oriented programming providing any syntaxes and semantics? No. So can you call it as a language? No. Next, what is a technology? C is only language. C++ only language. Java is a language and technology. Python is a language and technology. PHP, language and technology. So why we can call something is a technology? Something that provides predefined library. Huge amount of predefined library, rich set of predefined library for developing programs easily. fastly, easily and fastly, then we call it as what? Technology. Tell me, Java provides so many predefined library functions or not? Yes. Python also provides so much predefined library or not? Yes. Java provided so much of predefined library for developing enterprise application. Python has provided so much of predefined library for developing data science, machine learning, and AI applications. So Java and Python are called language and also called what? Technology. Is OOP providing any predefined library for us? No. Then can you call them as a technology? No. Then what OOP providing? OOP is providing suggestions. Array, follow these steps to create real world object in the programming world as part of your business. Hey, follow these steps, provide security to data. Follow these steps for extending the functionality. Follow these steps to provide extra functionality, okay, more functionality to the same operation. Follow these steps to hide the complete implementation details of your object. So it is providing suggestions for creating real world objects in the programming world. That's why object oriented programming is called what? Technique. It is a one style of writing program for creating real world object in the programming world. Everyone understand? Now tell me, what is a OOP? OOP is not a language. OOP is not a technique. OOP, sorry, technology. OOP is a technique. So object oriented programming is a one programming paradigm. It is a one style of writing program for creating real world objects in the programming world. Clear my point? So object oriented programming is a one programming style. It is a one programming paradigm. Paradigm is nothing but style. So why object oriented programming? Object oriented programming meant for three purposes. Number one, creating real world object in the programming world. Number two, achieve security to the object data. I have data, I have to provide security. Next, achieve dynamic binding. Binding means connecting between objects communication. We have minimum two objects. Number one, object. Number two, user. Suppose you take mobile. Mobile is an object. And who are you? User object. You take a SIM. SIM is an object. Who is the user object to the SIM? Mobile. SIM is an object. Mobile is the user. Mobile is the object. Customer is the user. So minimum how many objects are there? Two objects. ATM is a object. Who is the user? Customer. ATM card is a object. Who is the user? ATM. Are you following my point? Computer is an object. I am the user. Pen drive is an object. Who is the user? Computer. Are you following? So if you consider any scenario, in that scenario, there are two objects are there. The operations providing object and the operations using object. Business object, user object. I need to create a communication between these two objects. How to create the communication. That is also object-oriented programming only telling. So what is object-oriented programming? OOP is a technique or a programming methodology. It provides a set of suggestions for creating a real-world object in the programming world by achieving security and dynamic binding. Why we use object-oriented programming? To develop business applications by creating real world objects in the programming world, by achieving security to the object data, by achieving dynamic binding between objects communication, we will develop object oriented programming. Sir, before object oriented programming, we have structured programming language C. By using C, can I store data? Yes. Can I perform operations? Yes. Can I validate the data? Yes. Whatever you can do by using object-oriented programming, everything you can do by using C, structured programming. But the problem here is, there is no security to the data. There is no dynamic binding between the objects. The first step I can do, I can create real-world objects in the programming world by using a concept called struct. You know struct? By using struct concept, people who know C language, using struct concept, I can develop real world object. Struct student, struct employee, struct bank account. I can create. But the problem is the struct data, whatever you store for the student or employee bank account, other program I can access directly. There is no safety. There is no security. Okay. Other people can directly access. When other people directly accessing in the business, is it okay? ATM machine is there. You directly go, open the door, take the money. Possible or not possible? Not possible. If you develop that ATM software by using C language, katam, anybody can go and take the money, directly put in the pocket and go. But if you develop by using Java, not possible. There is some validations we have to provide. Who are you? I'm the customer. Prove it. You go take my card, take my PIN number, check my balance. Okay, chalo. Now how much money you want? Complete ATM money you want. No. How much available in your balance? That much only you can take. This kind of checkings and all we can do by using object-oriented programming. Understand my point? Right? Tell me, whatever we are learning next coming 15 days or 20 days, this all the knowledge you are gaining for Java, na, for all object-oriented programming languages. Java, Python, .NET, PHP, everything is what? Same. What is changing from one language to another language? Syntaxes. In Java, we create class in one way, in Python in another way. In Java, we create variable in one way, Python in another way. So only the syntax is changing, but the concept is same. Okay, now? Shall we start from tomorrow? Yeah. I don't want to give notes from tomorrow. Time waste. I will share the notes. No problem, na? If you are writing notes, it takes a lot of time. Today, whatever I have explained these slides, I'll upload to the Google Classroom. From there, you write notes. After going to room, compulsory you have to share the notes. Anyway, slides uploaded. Let me relax. Then your life will be relaxed. Up to now, I dictate the notes because everything is new to you. From now onwards, new points, unknown points, both will come. So I'm expecting you people to prepare the notes at home. Okay. Thank you. That's all for today class. I'll upload these 2 slides. Please try to copy and come tomorrow.